There was once a boy who found in his garden on a plant a cocoon hanging. The boy became delighted. He said, I will actually witness the butterfly how emerging from this cocoon. So every day while going to the school and while coming back, he would observe the status of the cocoon. One day, he saw there is something different on that cocoon, which means a dot had appeared. It happened to be a Sunday. Every 2 hours he would go and check, and the dot was becoming bigger and bigger. Finally, in the head of the butterfly emerged. Sure enough, the caterpillar had been transformed into a butterfly, and it was emerging from that cocoon as very difficulties. It came halfway through and then seemed to get stuck. It was not able to extract its big stomach out of the hole. After that, the cocoon was bobbing like that up and down. This boy felt pathetic on the butterfly. As an act of kindness, he ran into his house and he picked up a pair of scissors. Finally, he slit the cocoon into two. The butterfly fell onto ground. It started squirming. He realized its stomach was swollen and the wings were shriveled. He thought this would soon correct itself. The wings would fill up and the stomach would shrink. But he did not know that this would now never be. It was in that struggle of getting out that the fluid in the butterfly's stomach would have been pushed to the wings. Without that struggle, the butterfly would remain handicapped for whole life. Similarly, when we face challenges and difficulties, we look for someone to snip them away without realizing that they are there for a purpose. It is these difficulties that ensure the unfoldment of the soul. So we need to understand on things that life is the continual unfoldment of being under circumstance tending to press it downwards. If you are standing in some difficult circumstance, just try to strive as much as possible to get relief without depending on anyone else. That would be always fine in your life. If you are not struggle, you will never grow and get stronger. Without those hardest, we would ever remain stunted. So, the nature of life is always it presses you. You face it and grow emotionally in your wisdom and intellectually and mentally. Our difficult times will lead to give the greatest moments in our life. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. So this moral of the story is strive to thrive.